For 4.6 billion years, one planet in the entire known universe carried a story unlike any other. A story of fire, ice, destruction, creation, and life. This is the story of Earth, from a molten fireball to the home of humanity. In the beginning, there was chaos. A young sun had just ignited, surrounded by a swirling disk of dust and gas. For millions of years, tiny grains collided, forming rocks, then worlds. Out of this violent cosmic storm, a newborn planet emerged, Earth. But this Earth was nothing like the one we know. No oceans, no continents. Only a sphere of molten, rock-glowing red, boiling, unstable. Asteroids rained from the sky like endless fire. The surface churned like liquid metal. This was a planet under construction. Then came the day that defined our world forever. A Mars-sized planet, Theia, slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. Mountains vaporized. Oceans of magma splashed into space. It was one of the most catastrophic impacts in the solar system's history. But out of destruction came creation. The debris of that collision gathered, spinning, merging, until a new celestial companion was born, the Moon. The Moon stabilized Earth's rotation, shaped its tides, and set the stage for life itself. As millions of years passed, Earth slowly cooled. Rain fell for thousands of years. Steam turned into clouds, and clouds became endless storms. Water pooled in vast basins, forming the first oceans. Volcanoes released carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen, creating an atmosphere thick with potential. The stage was set for life to begin. Somewhere in the deep oceans, near hydrothermal vents, simple molecules met under heat and pressure. They combined, reacted, and eventually, one of the greatest miracles in cosmic history occurred. Life began. Tiny, single-celled organisms, fragile, simple, but unstoppable. For over 1 billion years, Earth belonged to them. Then a new kind of microbe evolved, cyanobacteria. They discovered a powerful trick: photosynthesis. Using sunlight, they turned carbon dioxide into oxygen. At first, oxygen was poison to most life. It wiped out nearly everything. But for those that survived, it opened the door to complexity. The sky turned blue. The oceans became clear. And Earth was transformed forever. But the planet was not done testing life. About 700 million years ago, Earth entered its most extreme winter. Ice covered continents, then oceans, then nearly the entire planet. A global deep freeze snowball Earth. Yet beneath the ice, life endured. And when the world thawed, it was ready to explode. Around 540 million years ago, evolution accelerated at a speed never seen before. In the Cambrian explosion, life diversified into complex organisms, creatures with eyes, legs, mouths, armor, and brains. Predators and prey shaped each other. Ecosystems formed. The oceans became alive with motion. Life moved to land. Plants carpeted the continents. Insects thrived. Reptiles grew larger and eventually evolved into the legendary dinosaurs. For over 150 million years, they ruled the planet with unmatched power. But their reign ended in a single moment when a 10-kilometer asteroid struck Earth, turning the sky dark and wiping out 75% of all life. From the ashes of the dinosaurs, small mammals emerged. They grew larger, smarter, and more adaptable. Millions of years later, a new species appeared, one capable of understanding its own history. We built tools, cities, civilizations. We explored the oceans, the land, and finally the sky. We became the first species to look back at Earth and ask, how did this all begin? Earth's story is far from over. Continents continue to drift. New mountains will rise. Deserts will form. Ice ages will come and go. But in the distant future, the sun will expand. The oceans will boil. And Earth will eventually become uninhabitable. Yet today, this planet remains our only home, a world forged by chaos, shaped by time and kept alive by delicate balance. 4.6 billion years of cosmic struggle. And here we are, able to tell the story. Earth is more than a planet. It is a miracle in the darkness of space. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more cosmic adventures.